Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on this channel, and in this one we talk about how you can delete messages off the MacBook Air, or basically any Mac computer for that matter. So let's get into it right now. So there are like levels to this because you might only want to delete a single text message bubble or the whole chat. Perhaps you don't want to see any messages on your computer ever again in the future. So let's cover everything in this video. Now, when it comes to just one text message, what you can do is to right-click the actual message. You don't hold down on it because this will make the reactions pop up. Instead, you perform the right click. By the way, make sure you have the right click functionality turned on because it doesn't have to be, and then it won't work. After right-clicking the message, you can see the delete button, and then you can just remove that message. Keep in mind that it only disappears on your device. The other side will still see it. Also, on the conversations level, you can just swipe left on the chat and tap the red trash can icon, which is self-explanatory enough. Don't forget to also remove it from the recently deleted folder because it works similar to the iPhone photos, where deleted photos are still in the trash for a few days before they're gone for good. You can get there by clicking the view button in the top panel, and then the recently deleted folder should be accessible. But you might want to go even further, and that would be completely removing the messages functionality for good. So as you're still in the Messages app, make sure it's open. Then in the top panel, you can tap on the word Messages, and the setting menu should become visible. There you can sign out of your iMessage account altogether, and this would make the messages no longer available or delivered to your device. So these are the methods to delete messages on your Mac. Let me know down below in the comments if any of these methods worked for you or if you found them useful. Don't forget to like this video, or perhaps even consider subscribing to this channel so you never miss videos like these in the future. Thank you for watching.